Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with me, James. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk about some of the major features and options. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features of the interior. The vehicle we have here is the 435D M Sport Coupe, and it's presented in the striking Snapper Rocks blue. Alongside that we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. You'll also see the 19-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels, which once again are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2017 plate, so it does benefit from that fantastic facelift. So we get the facelifted front lights, rear lights and a few interior tweaks, all of which I'll point out and highlight as we go around the car. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, sidebars and YNC Mperformance side stickers as well. Another addition to this vehicle we've made is the gloss black M4 style aerodynamic mirror caps, as you can see there. The interior for this vehicle once again matches very nicely with the exterior colour, being the black Dakota leather, with both the heated option and the electric function and memory for driver's side. For the rear seat configuration for the 4 Series Coupe, we've got a ISOFIX 2x2 seats with the centerfold armrest and center storage tray, as you can see there. And of course, the vehicle being the M Sport model, you do get the M Sport black headlining as well. And all of the interior matches the exterior, for being presented very nicely and all in good condition. Again, we'll just take you for a close-up look at the 19-inch alloy wheels before I head round towards the rear of the vehicle for a close-up look at the very nice facelift rear lights, satin rear diffuser, high gloss black rear boot spoiler, and of course, being the 435D, it does have that superb X-Drive four-wheel drive system. And we'll open up the tailgate, allow you to have a look at the luggage capacity, which for the 4 Series Coupe is a very large one and one of the largest in its class. And although it is of course four-wheel drive, none of that four-wheel drive system interferes with any of the luggage capacity, unlike other manufacturers, thanks to it being a very sophisticated electrical system, unlike some of the clunkier old-fashioned systems. You'll also have the split folding seat option, which again allows you to have more room in that luggage area. Moving around to the other side of the vehicle, thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today, you can get a sense of just how nice and how metallic the Snapper Rocks blue colour really is, alongside how well it works of course with our Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. And we'll take one last look at the 19-inch alloy wheels before I head on inside the vehicle, so you get a nice glance and go through everything in a bit more detail. So there is of course the memory settings, as I just mentioned a short while ago. Inside the vehicle we're greeted with the professional wide navigation and media screen. I'll also start the vehicle up and we'll run through just a couple of features and functions of this. On this particular vehicle we've not only got the regular Bluetooth audio and telephone. If we click through back to the communications menu and slide it across, you'll also see it is enabled for the Apple Carplay feature as well. So always good for the Apple users, as it does mean of course you'll get all of your normal Apple screen up onto this very nice widescreen. Alongside that you've got regular DAB and other multimedia inputs. There is of course the navigation screen up on there now. Dual climate control, which is also where you'll find the heated seats, along with the very nice ice cold aircon, which on a day like today is absolutely essential. Clicking to the main menu, as you can see there, being a facelift vehicle, we've also got the very nice facelifted and slightly tweaked menu. BMW grouped everything into individual menus now, just making things that little bit easier to navigate. If we go ahead and take a look at the vehicle service requirements and service status of the car, as you can see the vehicle is not due a service for 19,000 miles. And of course we've also got on board the fantastic 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with the flappy pedals, the cruise control, the speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all sitting very nicely on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. This vehicle has covered just over 67,000 miles and it is presented exquisitely well. So as always, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments. You'll also find down below in the description all of the relevant contact information to get in touch with ourselves here at Your Next Car, and of course a link to the vehicle on our website should you feel like you want to check out further information, and of course all of the prices, along with some of our fantastic finance packages that we offer here at Your Next Car, should that be applicable yourself purchasing the vehicle. Thanks very much for watching. We do of course hope to see you very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.